Today I have planned to draw people leaf. These leaves are not going to be in green color. My choice of color today is yellow, like a mango yellow color. I need my background to be more colorful. I'm doing bouquet background. So all my bouquets are going to be in different colors. So when I complete this, you will see a beautiful, colorful drawing today. I just blend these colors with a swab. The colors whatever I chose was on the screen. I'm making a bouquet background. I'm using different colors to make different bouquets here. I'm using all the light colors so that my background may look so different and colorful and very attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Now I'll draw this leaf. I use a light yellow and a kind of lemon yellow and orange yellow. As I told you before, predominantly I focus to make the leaf with yellow tone, darker yellow tone, and I need little touch of orange and green to make the leaf more eye appealing. But later on I'll finish the blade of the leaf, the fine work. There are two types of venation. It's important to observe the formation of veins before we draw or paint the leaf. One is reticular venation and another one is parallel venation. This leaf has the reticular venation. I use red here, a darker tone of red to draw the veins, just to give a depth. Later I finish that. So in the same way we'll do the another leaf, but I make this the middle area of the leaf more darker using little more green. I can feel this. The painting is going to come out very well. I was awaiting to draw this branch and the small stems. I want the branch to stand out from the background and reveal its dark and light areas itself. I have my background already more colorful, so I have to focus so that my branch must stand out from the background. I should not mix up the colors, uh, the branch and the background. I have to focus here. And I have all these thin stems, and I need the dark areas and the light areas. I have to do it very attentively to bring it more natural. I need some strokes and nodes which has formed on the branch. Everything I have to focus here, and everything should reveal its own places. And I hope I have justified to what I have said. And I love this branch and the stems and the leaf, the background entirely. I just use an ordinary pencil to do a fine work fine lines, thin lines. I want to make a little more fine, good finish at the edges of the branches, and even to make a small, thin, twisted twigs. And to finish the blade of the leaf, because it has so many small divisions, edges are very sharp, so I need to use this pencil to finish it. And I'm just making veins also. Already I gave a color to make it little depth. Then just above that I just used the pencil to make it more, to highlight it veins. Now just have to focus where I need the colors, like where I need more green, or where I need some other color. I need some red here and there, and more green, because I want my leaves and branch to be more visible. I want the leaves and branches to be more attractive in this painting. That's it. I have completed my drawing. I'm so glad to see my drawing has come out very well today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my work, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Even you can comment on my work. I'll meet you on another video with another beautiful painting. Until then, take care. Bye bye.